Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to clear Slack application's cache on your mobile device. To clear out Slack app cache, first of all, open up the Slack application on your device and log into your account. Once you are done, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture and then click on Preferences. Under Preferences, scroll all the way down until you find the Debug and Reset Cache button. On the next page, tap on Reset Cache, and then this has cleared your cache on your application. Clearing the cache on mobile device can help with issues like app crashes or slow loading times. So that's how you easily clear cache on your Slack application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.